It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Stylistic Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to blur your video in CapCut mobile editing app. This step-by-step tutorial, so let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about CapCut mobile editing app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to blur your video in CapCut mobile editing app. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your CapCut. So I'm going to click on here to open my CapCut. I'm going to click on new project. Now I'm going to select this particular video right here. Alright, so this particular video here, I'm going to blur it. So let me just increase the depth of the video. Then we have it this way. So I'm going to click on here. I will split and I will select on this and make sure I delete that part. So the video starts from here, then I'll make sure I click on here, split, and I'll select this one right here. I'll make sure I select on this and delete. Then I need this part here to be blurred. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on effect right here. Then I'll click on video effect. Then I will search for face blur right here. Face blur. Then I'll click on search. Then I'll make sure I click on body effects. Then you have different effects right here. So starting from here, partial blur. So if you click on partial blur, it's going to change everything. So I don't want that. Then I'm going to choose this face mosaic. So select on that. Then you can click on the adjustments to increase the range. You can increase the size. This depends on how you want to achieve the blur. Once you're satisfied with everything, next thing you want to do is to just click on go back to the main video. Then you have to make sure you click on here. Then let's play the video. Alright, so we can simply click on here and expand the effect from the beginning of the video. Alright, so I'm going to click on here also and expand it to the very area I want to have it. Then I will make sure I select the video clip. Then I will click on split. And I'll select on this clip right here. I'll make sure I click on delete. Boom. Then let's play the video.
I am here to show how to make pindodo in water. I am sure you are proud to see me on your adventure.
Good.
I am here to show how to make pindodo in water. I am sure you are proud.
Good. It's as simple as that. So this is how to blur your video in CapCut mobile editing app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about CapCut mobile editing app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.